Are you looking for the perfect pizza dough recipe to make in your home oven? So easy and fast to make, you can now do great pizza whenever you want. All you need is 5 ingredients. In our trick, using a mix of 00 flour and Manitoba flour to make a quality pizza dough. You're watching Healthy and Delicious. Click here to subscribe to our channel. Mix slowly the ingredients with 25 degrees Celsius water. Water temperature influences the texture, flavor, and braise of your pizza. Our temperature choice for this recipe is 25°C for a balanced dough. Transfer the dough to a wok surface and continue to knead it until you get a smooth and homogeneous block. The secret of good pizza is the dough. We use a combination of 300 grams of double 00 flour with its fine texture and 200 grams of Manitoba flour with excellent elasticity and resistance. Excellent texture, elasticity, and resistance. Let it rest for 10 minutes. Imagine the dough is divided into 4 parts. Take each end and stretch it and fold it towards the center. The trick to save time is to place a small pot with boiled water next to the bowl with dough. The humidity produced will reduce by half the time to raise your pizza. Let it rest for 2.5 hours. Once the dough has doubled in volume, repeat the folding process. Let it rest for 30 minutes. You can now prepare your pizza using your favorite toppings.